You've already seen that micro area fail once, but now they're bidding up again. So there's a good chance there'll be another crack at this. So provided you're entering at the edge, like in the cheap bit, if it's going to have another go, it might take that out as well. So let's say it only gets to here, well then there's no loss if it comes back and you're out, or you get a payout all the way up to here. Now let's just assign some odds. What's the likelihood that this goes all the way up to there compared with other scenarios which are not full of traffic lights? This is just a good example of how you go, well, this isn't the A plus bet the farm, isn't it? You don't swing the bat hard at this. It's not the same scenario where you can almost see yourself picking up the money. It's that high odds. So, okay, so it starts moving your way now straight into a set of traffic lights. So it's either they're going to go green or it's going to turn into a U-turn. But you can see buyers coming in off this, and why just look for a payoff to there? So it's failed, and through. If it keeps coming back to this, on the back of buyers bidding up, the odds of it finally getting through are increasing. Okay, so we got through the traffic lights. Now where are we going to stop? Next is another set, exactly at this. Look at the covering. So now you've got insurance policy. You should not have any loss here. So take some off. You've got plenty of business going through now. So what's this? This is all covering, isn't it? And this is what this gig's about, working out where others are going to get caught. So that massive sell tells you what? That some big player just went, I'm getting out. That's what that says to you. So you do the same. All right. So no magic. It is multiple points of evidence, and that's the end of the playing field, so you're out. And when you get experience, of course you can trade it, like I did. There you go, there's my buy. So a little bit of heat, sold some. Notice I didn't get out at the top, sold here. So that's even with me getting a sense of what's going on. Because of this pace, see how that buy could have been better and that sell there could have been better. So here's a really good example of not having an awareness of the big picture will get you caught. See how this is pushed up and others are going, oh, I want to get long. Right? But what did we just talk about? Sellers are slowly winning this battle. So you go and buy somewhere here and I just went short because that was just so obvious that you were going to get caught, because it's just thinking about what others are doing. They're too focused on, oh, I want to get long off here. This time it didn't quite get there. And as it starts pushing up, they jump in. Straightforward trap. It's just a quick scalp. I haven't really got any size on it because there was no business in there. And also my entry's 42. So that's why I'm not fast that I just went offside mildly, because the market can go lower. These guys won't care. If they get a chance, I'll just buy some more down here. Here we go. But it all started with just that awareness of what was going on.